Hi, it's Larry Kearney. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install our Chrome extension on your Google Chrome. Now, this is always a good idea to check to see if you have the latest version of Google Chrome. So you go to the three dots at the top, go to the bottom, go to Settings. Once you get the settings, you go to the bottom here, About Chrome. In here you will see whether you have the latest version, and also you'll be able to click and update it. So this my version is the latest version, so it's always better to have the latest version. It may work with a version that's not the latest, but it's always good to start out the best way you can. Okay, so once you open up your Chrome, basically you would go to let's go here because you might not have this box here. Let's go to extensions here, manage extensions, and here you would always go to the right, upper right, and cut on developer mode if it's not on already. Then go over to load unpack and click that. Then you find where you left the where you put the file at, wherever your files are stored, your downloads, and you would find the once you unzip this, you have to, when you get downloaded from the WordPress network, or where you purchased it from, you have to unzip it, have a video in the PDF. Well, actually, you have to unzip it to get to that, but you could go online and check to see how to unzip a file if you're not sure or don't know how. But at this point, you just click the folder, that particular folder that is just in the unzip folder, and select folder. So that's it. So now that plugin is set up, and well, you have to hit cut on there. You see here it shows up here. If it doesn't show up, well, either way, you could always go in here and highlight it to show up, so it may show up on yours immediately. So now that plugin is active. So for example, let's go to any page for the marketing. So and you just, once you select the page you want to analyze, let's say this page here, this looks like a good page, any page, or your page or your WordPress, you click on here, pops up, and then you can analyze the page. Okay, it's Larry Kearney. I'd like to thank everyone for purchasing this product, and it definitely is going to help you rank on the major search engines, and also get picked up by the AI networks, which basically almost half the searches now online are going to, or looking up, going to AI. Okay, thanks for watching, and enjoy the plugin, or the Chrome extension.